I will now explain the Twitter scanner. Now, the Twitter scanner is a very important tool because it gives you updates on non-scheduled news that may affect the market. So here is the Twitter scanner. So how does it work? So any person that you follow, it will give you their tweets because their tweets may affect the market. So here's the Twitter right here. So here's everyone that I follow. It's all in beautiful columns right here. This is all the tweets that Trump tweets. This is Elon Musk, and these are very important people to follow because what they tweet may really affect the market. Now, how do you add a new channel? You go right here and you search anyone you want to add. You just click here, add, and it just added it to you. So now you will never be caught off guard. You never be caught off guard whenever there's a tweet that may affect the market, and you won't have to always constantly check your Twitter account because you will get a notification on your phone or on the website whenever there's a tweet that really may affect your trading.